Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yep, I'd say you guys know what's going on. What's up, guys? So as you can tell behind me, I have a mess that I'm having to work through right now. And I tried to make this video about a week and a half ago. In the intro, when I went to do the editing, was very sloppy. The audio wasn't really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this for you guys. I'm not gonna necessarily go over everything I did before. Just wanna go and let you guys know. Obviously, the last video I posted was my practice tournament video I had on Norris Lake, and that ended up not going as planned. The tournament, we only had one good keeper and only caught a total of like 6 fish all day. It was really, really slow. I will show you guys right here the one fish that we did catch. Is that smallmouth? Dang it, I don't think it's long enough to use.
He wants to measure.
Jesus, please. Please let it be long enough. This is why I hate my smallmouth fishing right here. Alright guys, so this is the first one. It is literally noon right now. This is the first bite we've had all day. Barely makes 18 inches, but it's gonna fit. So yeah, caught it out here in the very center, right the last second on a jig. So first fish. So that was the one fish we ended up catching. We didn't catch a fish until like literally noon. We ran all the way up literally the opposite side of the lake that everybody else was going to. Went to some colder water, was looking for some smallmouth, and it just did not pan out. That's pretty much the extent of the tournament. We found a spot towards the end of the tournament that held some fish. It was some largemouth, and it was just a little too late. We weren't really able to get on them in time. You know, putting that in the past, not gonna worry about it. We are, I think, 2.5 weeks out from our next tournament out on Chickamauga. I am going out this weekend and gonna take my girlfriend, hopefully, if the weather plays out. We're gonna go to Lake Chickamauga. Right now it's in the middle of the spawn, so I'm wanting to show her how that works. If you've never fished the spawn before, especially like on a lake that obviously produces really, really big fish, it is a very, very cool experience. I highly suggest that if you guys have not done it before, get out there and try it. It's really, really cool. So I'm gonna try to take her out there this weekend and show her that. If not, we may end up heading out to Cherokee Lake. The percentages right now are showing a whole lot lower towards that direction. So depending on whether the rain holds out or not, that's gonna factor on which lake we end up going to. But either lake we go to, I know Chickamauga, they're having an MLF tournament, and then at Cherokee, they're having a FLW tournament. So we may get some footage of that as well, I'm not sure. Anyways, I want to show you guys some clips of a trip I took out a few weeks ago out here on Norris Lake, looking for some pre-spawning bass, and ended up getting into them pretty well. Fished for like literally 3 hours and caught like 6 or 7 fish. And these are the ones I had obviously on camera. So I hope you guys do enjoy that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the boat, get everything situated for the spring and obviously summertime fishing, get all the winter stuff out, because hopefully if everything plays out well, we won't have any more cold fronts. We won't have to worry about cold rain gear and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get out of the boat, get the boat ready for this weekend. Hopefully see you guys on the water here soon. Okay, let's see. Well, there you go. Heck yeah. Haven't even been here 30 minutes. First one in the boat. good one. Oh man. Fish. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Guys, oh my gosh. That's a good one. Oop. Oh my gosh. That's a good one.